formulas at least 5 times your life. I'm recording this meeting. I will upload today so that if you miss anything, go through it and revise. First kinematical equation, V equals to U plus AP. Second one, UT plus half AP square. And third one, B square equal to U square plus 2AS. Please write 5 times this, because if you don't know formula, then numerical you can't get it. Please write this.
Oh, okay.
Written this three formulas. Please write 5 times. All of you write down.
Writing.
Written. Okay. Last class.
No, sir, no one's handwriting.
The 50% numerical you can do if you know formula. 25% if you can read it. Remaining 25% if you can solve it. Last class I did till sum number 7.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Completed 5 times. Bhavya.
Sir, can you show the last one once?
5 times. Please complete fast. Arab. Completed.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. I'm starting with sum number 8. Ivani, please read sum number 8. Ivani, read sum number 8.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Yes.
A train is moving with a velocity of 90 km per hour. It is brought to stop by applying the brakes, which produce a retardation of 0.5 meter per second. Find one the velocity after 10 seconds and two the time taken by the train to come and rest. Come to
Correct. A train is moving. Train is moving means it is initial velocity. U. Train is moving with 90 kilometer per hour. So 90 into 5 upon 18 meter per second. 18 into 5. U is 25 meter per second. It is brought to stop. So V is 0. After applying brake, which gives retardation, that means negative acceleration of minus 0.5 meter per second square. Find the velocity. Hello? Good afternoon. at 10 o'clock night. Correct. Velocity, find the velocity after 10 seconds. So I'm writing this as v dash after time 10 seconds and
Sir,
time
what is the page number?
page number 54, sum number 8.
Yes, sir,
Find
got
the
it.
velocity after 10 seconds. So v dash velocity after time 10 seconds and time taken for it to come to rest is how much when v is 0. Comes to rest means v is 0. Okay. Again I'm reading the sum. A train is moving with velocity means u in kilometer per hour. I multiplied with 5 upon 18. We got in meter per second 25. Brakes are applied. It is brought to rest. Retardation is means negative acceleration. What is velocity when time is 10? What is time when velocity is 0? Data followed.
No,
Yes,
sir. Can you explain again?
you read it. Read away. Read it louder.
U is equal to 90
No,
kilometers per.
Don't, I don't read this. Read the question. Question when you read, then you'll understand. Huh? Read the question from the textbook.
Sir, one second, let me get my textbook. Then.
So how will you understand without textbook? Have we got the textbook?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Read it.
A car moving on a. I think. Nothing. A train is moving with a velocity of 90 kilometers per hour. It is brought to a stop by applying the brakes, which produce a retardation of 0.5 meters per second. Find the velocity after 10 seconds, time taken by the train to come to rest.
A train is moving means u 90 kilometer per hour multiply with 5.18, it becomes 25 meter per second. Brought to rest means final v 0 with retardation means minus -0.5. Then they are telling what is velocity when time is 10 seconds. So right now I don't know whether 10 second is final time when it is brought to rest. So I wrote v dash, time is t 10 seconds. What is time means t when velocity is 0, that means v equal to 0 I have written. Now data followed. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now I know acceleration, I know initial velocity, I know time 10 seconds. So can I get velocity at 10 seconds by using this formula? V is u plus 80. So v dash is 25 plus minus 0.5 in time 10 seconds. So v dash is 25 minus 5. V dash is 20 meter per second. So velocity at the end of 10 second is 20 meter per second. Now time when velocity is 0. Again v is u plus 80. So 0 is 25 plus minus 0.5 into time you want. So therefore 0 is 25 minus 0.5 t. So 0.5 t equals to 25. T is 25 upon 0.5. So 25. 0.5, is it half or can you write 10 upon 5? Can I write 0.5 as 10 upon 5?
Yes, sir.
So time t is 50 seconds. Tell me whether you have followed or not first. Everybody has followed this? Yes, everybody has followed. Pushbo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, other students, Ivani, Jash, Arab,
Yes.
Shamek, Bhavya,
Yeah.
Abhi.
One
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
second. No, sir. No, sir. 1 second. Uh, yeah, sir. Understood.
Understood? Yes,
Yes,
Shamek, Bhavya, understood?
yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir, understood.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, what is after B1 is equal to 20 meter per second?
Again, once again, we are using that formula. So I wrote again, V is U plus AT. In school, they started this numericals.
No, sir, not yet.
Okay.
Yeah, sir, not yet. We have just started with displacement and distance.
Acha, acha. No, but they will run very fast. So we have to be ahead by one chapter at least. Once you get timetable of your exam and portion, please let me know. So I will plan the revision for you.
Sir, it starts from 13 July.
Yeah, sir, we know it's
Sir, portion we already know.
Huh.
Portion you are knowing?
First and second chapter, in both chapters, B part is omitted.
ठीक है, good, good, good. Then I will plan properly. I will set some questions for you.
Yeah, sir, done.
Done? Everybody is done? 8?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shamek, you read now 9th.
Yes, sir. A car travels a distance of 100 meter with a constant acceleration and average velocity of 20 meter per second. The final velocity acquired by the car is 25 meter per second. Find the initial velocity and the acceleration of the car.
A car travels 100 meters.
Sir, then can I tell how to solve?
1 S equal to 100 with constant acceleration and average velocity 20 meter per second. Average velocity 20 meter per second. Final velocity V we want. No, final velocity acquired is given 25 meter per second. Find initial velocity, that means u, and acceleration means a. Now, how many of you have not followed data first? Shamek, you followed data? Arab,
Yes, sir.
Yash, Kavya,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Do you know what is average velocity formula is?
Yeah, sir.
What is
Total
formula?
displacement upon total time.
Okay. Total displacement upon total time.
Sir, or else final plus initial velocity upon 2.
Very
If it's constant acceleration, then
U plus V upon 2 is called as average velocity, rightly said. U I don't know, V is 25 upon 2 equals to 20. So U plus 25 is 40. So can I say U is 40 minus 25? That means 15 meter per second. Can I say like this?
yes, sir.
Now V square is U square plus 2AS because is given, UV calculated, S is given. Now V square means 25 square. U square is 15 square. 2 into A we want. S is 100. So 225. 625 is 25 square. 15 is 225 plus 100 into 2 is 200 into A. 625 minus 225 is 200A. So 400 equals to 200A. 400 upon 200 equals to A. A equals to 2 meter per second square. Clear? Calculation clear now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Calculation clear.
Okay.
Yeah, sir. Done.
Okay. Shall I clear? Everybody has done?
Yes, sir.
Sum number 10.
One second.
10th.
Yeah.
Kaveri 10th.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
When brakes are applied to a bus, the retardation produced is 25 centimeters per second.
What is
And
meaning of retardation? Negative
sir,
acceleration.
yeah, sir,
So
negative.
brakes are applied, acceleration is minus 25 centimeter per second square. Bus takes 20 seconds, so time is 20 seconds. To stop means V is 0. Calculate initial velocity means U. Distance traveled means S. Okay. Now V formula or A formula directly we can say V minus U upon T. A is minus 25, V is 0, U I want, T is 20. So minus 25 into 20 is minus U. Both side minus cancel. So 500 equals to U. Therefore, U is 500 centimeter per second or 5 meter per second. I got U. Now we are interested in distance. U we know, time we know, acceleration we are knowing. So you can use any formula. I am using S equals to ut plus half at square wala formula. U is 5 meter, time is 20, plus half A is minus 25 centimeter, divided by 100, it will become meter, and T is 20 square. So this is 100 minus of 25 into 20 square is 400. 2 into 100 is 200. So 200 into 2. That is 100 minus 50 equals to 50 meter. Distance covered 50 meter, initial velocity 5.
So here we can use any formula na, out of the three.
We can use any formula depending upon availabilities or quantities given. The formula will remain 3 only. So we should be able to identify which formula we have to use at that given time.
Sir, I did not understand. Half 80 square should be half into 20 minus 25 into, acha, okay, minus 25 upon 100. Okay. Sir,
Sum number 11. A body moves from rest. From rest means U is 0. With uniform acceleration and travels distance 270 meter s in 3 seconds. Find the velocity means v at 10 seconds after the start when time is 10 seconds after the start, we need velocity. Find velocity 10 seconds after the start. From this three information, can you get acceleration?
Yes, sir.
If I get acceleration, can I get v after 10 seconds? Because u plus a into t dash will be my velocity after 10 seconds. Correct? Hello?
Yeah, sir.
Sir.
With this upper information, I will get a. If I get a, then velocity from start initial is 0. A I will substitute and time is given 10. So my first problem is how to get a. S is ut plus half at square. S is 270. U is 0. Time is 3 plus half into A I don't know. Time is 3 square when distance covered was 270. So 270 equals to 0 into 3 is 0. Half into 9. 270 into 2 upon 9 is A. 9 threes are 27. So A equals to 60 meter per second square. So V is U plus AT dash after 10 seconds. T dash is 10. Acceleration is always uniform. So it is 60 into 10. Therefore, it is equals to 600 meter per second. Important sum because without getting A, you can't get B. Solve. This chapter, if you are doing perfectly, means automatically your IQ level will get raised.
Sir, why is raising IQ so difficult?
See, whenever you start thinking something, then our cell starts working for that. That increases our IQ level. Suppose you have to, are you uh, interested in any sports?
Lawn tennis.
Lawn tennis, okay. So first it is some different turf, then slowly it becomes different turf. The grass is fastest, you know?
Yes, sir.
First you have to play on hard court so that your speed, momentum, body flexibility increases. So same way here. So to tackle our 11, 12 problem, you need to think. When you start thinking, your mind starts, nervous system gets that clue. Because everything is controlled by our nervous system. That's why nowadays they say be positive. If we positive means our nervous system gets that information that person is always positive. So it will always try to help you. Means everything is in our body only. It is up to us how we can control. Many people know how to control, many of them they don't. If they don't know, they go to doctor. I feel everybody is equivalent intelligent. Your doctors are teacher. If they guide you properly and you follow that properly, then you excel. Now the guide should be also perfect and the student executing that also should be perfect. Any link is gone, then it will be D-link.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Yes, coming to the further part. Thirteenth. A car travels with uniform velocity. That means U is 25 meter per second. For 5 seconds, time is given 5 seconds. The brakes are then applied and car is
Sir, we did
retarded.
not do 12. Sir, we did not do 12, na?
Okay, I skipped. Just wait. After this, I'm explaining 12 then. Wait. Both I'm explaining it together. Brakes are applied, uniformly retardation takes place, and it comes to rest. So final V equal to 0. But comes to rest. See again, very important again. U is 25. It travels for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, brake is applied. So can you read? The brakes are then applied. After what time brakes are applied?
5 seconds.
After 5 seconds. That means till 5 seconds it was not having any acceleration. So after 5 seconds, brakes are applied and it comes to rest in further 10 seconds. So T1 in further 10 seconds, it comes to rest. Till 5 seconds, it was traveling with 25, 25, 25, 25, 25. Find the distance the car travels before the brake. So distance covered S before the brake we want. And then retardation, that means negative acceleration. So I can say before brakes are applied, speed is constant. Before brakes are applied, speed is constant. Since speed is distance upon time, if it is constant, use this formula directly. Speed is distance upon time. So speed is 25, distance we want in 5 seconds. So S becomes 25 into 5, 125 meter. Then acceleration, A is V minus U upon time T1, because brake is applied after 5 seconds, and then
Sir,
from
we
there
like to tell that displacement is uniform, na? Sorry, velocity is uniform, na? Not speed.
what is meaning of speed uniform and what is meaning of velocity uniform.
Sir,
If it is,
velocity.
listen first, if it is straight line motion, then speed and velocities are same. Reason, there is no change in direction. And when we are solving the problem, we are taking numerical its magnitude. So when I say speed is constant or velocity constant, meaning is same, because direction we are not changing. Both will fetch you same result.
Okay, sir.
A. V finally becomes 0. Acceleration A U is 25, but time don't take 15, don't take 5, we have to take 10, because after 5 seconds they applied the brake. अच्छा एक part और भी था आगे. Distance traveled by the car after brakes are applied. Okay, S1, S2. So A becomes minus 25 upon 10. 12th I am doing afterwards. That is minus 2.5 meter per second square. Then distance covered after brake applied. After brakes are applied. Distance covered, I am writing S2 is UT plus half AT square. Q is 25. Brake is applied, then after 10 seconds we want answer. Plus half A is minus 2.5 and T is 10 square. It's not seen properly. U is 25, T is 10 plus half minus 2.5 into 10 square. So this becomes 250 minus half into 2.5 into 1. 2 into 50 is 250 minus 25 into 5 is 1. So 1, 2, 5. Okay, follow? Now followed all the three parts? Hello?
Yes. Sir, what is after S? S is equal to question mark. Then
One. The first part distance I wrote S1. Acceleration we want A. Then after 10 seconds we want another displacement S2. Not follow now.
yes, sir, follow.
Tuesday you have test only on numerical. So practice well.
Okay, sir.
After test is over, immediately I will give you the solution so that you can check where you went wrong and why you went wrong.
Sir, how many marks test?
It is 10 question given, 3 mark each, 30 mark.
Okay.
Sir, 12th sum.
This one completed?
What,
Yes,
sir?
sir. Completed.
Come to 12. A body is moving with constant acceleration, travels first distance 3 meter, second distance 8 meter, in first time 1 second, in second time 2 seconds. So total distance 3 meter in 1 second, 8 meter in 2 seconds. Find initial velocity and acceleration of the ball. Since S equal to ut plus half AC square, S1 will be u T1 plus half T1 square. 3 equals to u into 1 plus half a into 1 square. 3 is u plus half a equation 1. Then again H2 will be u T2 plus half 8 T2 square. 8 equals to u into 2 plus half a into 2 square. Therefore, 8 is 2u plus half a into 4. Therefore, 8 equals to 2u plus 2a. Equation 2. Please copy it till there. There are two unknowns, therefore they have given two displacements.
Sir, how did you get acceleration is 2?
Acceleration we didn't got only, na? We have to calculate now. Where we got acceleration, we just got equation.
Sir, I have one method. Can you tell if it's okay? Sir, second, if the first velocity was 3 upon 1, 3 meters in 1 second, so 3 meter per second. Second velocity was 8 meter in 2 seconds, that is 4 meter per second. The rate of change between these two velocities, मतलब these two velocities के बीच में the difference था that happened in 1 second. तो 4 meter per second और 3 meter per second में 1 second का difference था, इसलिए acceleration is 1 meter per second.
No, it's wrong. This all logic will depend only if it is constant. Don't use all this.
Sir, it is constant.
Array, velocity is not constant. Every second में it-
अच्छा.
you can't take logic 3 meter में इतना तो 6 meter में कितना, because that is logic only when constant. Now here in 1 second something else, next 1 second something else, next 1 second.
Fine, sir.
So actually we got two equations. Both equation has got u and a. So I will eliminate u from a first equation and substitute in the second. Once I get one value, then I can get second value by putting that in the either of equation. Okay, what does it mean? From first equation, can you tell me what is u from first equation? Can you tell? From first equation, what is u? 3 minus half a or not? Is it 3 minus half a? From here, see, u equal to 3 minus half a. substituting into, we get 8 equals 2. U is 3 minus half 8 plus 2. I think you all have not followed this. Hello?
Sir, it is
Yes, sir.
not-
I follow.
From this U is 3 minus of this, na? So I'm putting in 2, not followed. Hello?
Yes, sir. 3 minus half a.
हाँ, वो इस पर bucket में डाल देंगे अभी. 2 into 3 is what? Is it 6? 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is it 6?
Sir, what is?
अरे यार क्या बोल रहे हो आप लोग?
हाँ. Okay, understood.
करने का काम मत करो. तो फिर फुल मार्क कोशिश कर रहे हैं तो थोड़ा इंटेलिजेंस बढ़ाओ. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into half a is only a. 2 into half a. Is it a? Yes or no? Say first.
Yes, sir.
Plus 2a. 8 equal to 6 minus a plus 2 is a. 8 minus 6 is a. 2 equal to a. That means a equals to a equals to 2 meters per second. Copy. So it is simple. I used formula of S. I got one equation. Second S. I got second equation. अभी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन से u का वैल्यू आई एम पुटिंग इन सेकंड. दैट्स इट. थोड़ा मैथ्स इज मोर इन देयर. a equal to 2 meter per second square. Let's go. Followed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One is
Yes, sir.
followed till this. Just
Yes, sir.
okay. Arab.
Yes, sir.
Yes. अभी to get u, I am putting a का value in u का formula.
Sir, I didn't. अच्छा. Nothing, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Done. So this is today last sum. 2 more sums are remaining. I will do on Tuesday. Plus exam you are going to write.
Sir, 1 second. I am writing.
I'm not doing it. Don't worry. Yes, completed.
Yeah, sir.
Sir, 1 second, sir. 1 second. Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. I made your Sunday enjoyable. See, after doing such a good sum.